You're listening to Mr. English Podcast by Mr. English Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Grammar and Real Conversation, an English learning series from Mr. English Podcast.
Hi, everyone. In this series, we help you understand English grammar through natural conversation, simple explanations, and real-life examples.
In today's episode, we're talking about another very common grammar confusion.
Yes, past simple and past continuous.
These two are often used together, especially when telling a story.
So today, we'll start with a natural conversation. Then we'll explain the grammar step by step, and after that, we'll give you another short conversation to help you hear it clearly in context.
Let's begin.
John, do you remember the first time we met?
Yes, I do. It was actually a rainy evening.
Really? I remember it too. What were you doing at that time?
I was sitting in a small cafe working on my laptop.
Oh, yes, I remember now. I was looking for a place to sit.
And then you walked in, right?
Yes, I did. It was raining heavily, and I was holding an umbrella.
I think you were talking on the phone when you came in.
That's right. I was trying to find my friend, but she wasn't answering.
Then you asked me if the seat next to me was free.
Yes, I asked, "Is this seat taken?"
And I said, "No, you can sit here."
After that, we started talking.
Yeah, we talked for almost an hour.
It was such a random moment, but I still remember it clearly.
Me too. It was simple, but special.
Okay, now let's talk about the grammar.
Good idea.
First, let's look at this question. What were you doing at that time?
This is past continuous.
Right. We use past continuous to describe an action that was happening at a specific moment in the past.
So when I say I was sitting in a cafe, I'm describing what was happening at that time.
Exactly. It gives us background information in a story.
Now let's look at another sentence. You walked in.
That is past simple.
Right. We use past simple for completed actions in the past.
So, you walked in is a finished action.
Now here's the key idea.
Past continuous describes the background.
And past simple describes the main action.
Let's look at a very common structure.
I was sitting in a cafe when you walked in.
So, 1. Was sitting to background, past continuous. 2. Walked in to action, past simple.
Another example. It was raining when I left the house.
Was raining, arrow, background. Left, arrow, main action.
We also heard, I was talking on the phone.
That shows an action in progress in the past.
So here are some useful signal words.
For past continuous, we often use 1. Was/were plus verb ing. 2. At that time. 3. While.
And for past simple, we often use 1. When. 2. Yesterday. 3. Last night. 4. A specific time.
Let's make it simple.
Past continuous implies action in progress in the past.
Past simple is finished action in the past.
Past continuous to background.
Past simple to main event.
Jessica, what were you doing last night at 8 p.m.?
I was watching a movie.
What movie did you watch?
I watched a romantic film.
Were you watching it alone?
No, I wasn't. I was watching it with a friend.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did. It was really interesting.
What was your friend doing during the movie?
She was eating popcorn the whole time.
That sounds fun.
Let's review the key idea one more time.
We use past continuous for actions in progress in the past.
And we use past simple for completed actions.
Very often, we use them together in one sentence.
Like, I was walking when I saw her.
So when you hear a story, ask yourself,
What was happening in the background?
and what action happened suddenly?
That will help you understand and use these tenses correctly.
Thanks for listening to Grammar in Real Conversation.
We hope this episode helped you understand past simple and past continuous more clearly.
See you in episode 4.